Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting new update on Discord that makes gaming with friends even easier. If you want to allow your friends to join your game on Discord from your PC, follow these simple steps. First, open Discord. If you're not logged in yet, enter your details, and you'll be ready to go in no time. Discord's layout is user-friendly, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding your way around. Next, look for the gear icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. This will take you to your user settings. Once you're there, scroll down on the left sidebar until you find the Activity Privacy option. Click on it, and you'll see a few settings that control who can join your game. Now, here's the key step. To let your friends join your game easily, make sure to enable the toggle next to Allow Friends to Join Your Game. Just click it, and voila! Your friends will now have the option to join you while you play your favorite games. Once this setting is enabled, anyone on your friends list can hop into your game without needing to send a request each time. It's a great way to keep the fun going and make sure you're always gaming together. And that's it. You've successfully allowed your friends to join your game on Discord. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your gaming experience. Happy gaming, and see you in the next video.